In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another company in QuickBooks Online 2026, step by step. If you manage more than one business, QuickBooks Online makes it easy to keep each set of books completely separate while using the same login. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add a new company file, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few tips so you choose the right options the first time. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account the way you normally do. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right and click the gear icon. This opens your account and app settings. From there, select Manage Your Account. On that page, choose Add Another Company. If you don't see this option, make sure you're signed in as an admin, since only users with the right permissions can create new companies. Next, click Add Company. QuickBooks will redirect you to the Plan Selection page. Here, take a moment to match the subscription to the needs of the company you're adding. Think about the number of users you'll invite, whether you'll track bills, projects, or inventory, and any reporting depth you'll need. It's also helpful to know that each company you add is its own subscription, so billing is separate for each set of books under your login. After you select a plan, you'll be prompted to enter the new company's business details. Type the business name exactly as you want it to appear on invoices and reports. Choose the industry that best describes what this business does. This helps QuickBooks suggest a relevant chart of accounts. Select the business type, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation, to align with how you file taxes. Then add your tax information, like the official tax ID associated with this company. Having your legal name and tax details handy will help you move through this screen quickly and avoid corrections later. When everything looks right, click Create Company. QuickBooks will set up a brand new, clean company file for you. This is a fresh set of books with its own lists, settings, and reports, completely separate from your other companies. From here, you can begin customizing your settings, connecting bank accounts, importing customers and vendors, and getting the file ready for day-to-day work. And that's it! You've successfully added another company in